let's head on over to Grenada for this week's Caribbean music video. Here's Loyal Sideman by Black Adon.
Love you, girl. Lad, 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 lad. Lad, 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 lad. Man, Black Adon, lad, 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 lad. Yeah, me know, yeah, me know, yeah, me know, yeah, me know you have your man. Okay, I don't have no girl, but I love you bad. Only you I want. Oh man, you're sweet and sexy. Oh man, you really catch me. I could have you alone, but you could have both away. Yeah, man, now you could be my girlfriend, and you could have your man, and that is no problem. No problem. I'm telling you, you could be my only girl, and you could have your man, and that is no problem. That is no problem. I could be a loyal side man. Your loyal side man, girl, first I walk it through. Anything go through, I could be a loyal side man. Your loyal side man, girl, first I walk it you. Anything go through, picture this every fete and every show. If your man don't want to go, then I'll whine in with you. Tell you I'll whine in with you. You coastal is every fete and on the boat. If your man don't want to go, then I'll whine in with you. Tell you I'll whine in with you. I could be a loyal side man. See, I need a
We now highlight the career achievements of Jamaican swimmer and Olympian Aaliyah Atkinson in this week's Our Trailblazer feature.
Aaliyah Atkinson has represented Jamaica on the international scene and has made her country proud. She has competed in 4 Olympic Games, making significant impact in the 50-meter freestyle, 100-meter breaststroke, and women's 200-meter breaststroke. She has also participated in several games, including the Pan American Games, the Commonwealth Games, and the Short Course World Championships. Aside from winning gold medals, she is the recipient of 3 silver medals. For her major accomplishments in the world of swimming, Aaliyah Atkinson is indeed our trailblazer for having excelled in and contributed significantly to the sport of swimming.
Now it's time to check out the Magnum Top 10. Did your songs make the cut?
Man a star, yo, I know every girl fit me. Jenna, mother of people, girl pit me. Girl teeth, take a girl swiftly, yeah.
family. I me say family. Me love me fam, how them do me heart. Lolly, short and tally, lolly, can't bolly. Lolly, short and tally, lolly, can't bolly. I me say what's on sale, what's on sale.
Me take a phone call, me take a one picture, but me can't take your fakeness. Nobody come round me, nobody try talk to me. From you know you not rate me. Promise it.
Wait till me get my partner, ja. I go buy mama everything what she want. Wait till me get my partner, ja. Friend them can't tell me say them rock.
Changes in life. Jump on a plane if me like. Mommy don't complain, she alright. Changes in life.
Yeah, wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. Wanna move. Yeah, wanna move. From
Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Enough of them stairs up. Talk them a talk, no action fi back enough.
You have nothing to worry about, your body perfect. Perfect, you're perfect. Now your ears and me, I tell you all the things that you wire. You wire.
Underwater me, underwater. Underwater me, underwater. Underwater me, underwater me, underwater.
No, fit when you take it and you take it. Sit down pan the matic, it a vanish like a magic. Skip it and you happy if you sell, you make a profit.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Predis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana.
Anything go through, I could be a loyal side man. Your loyal side man, girl, first I will get you. Anything go through, caution is every fete and every show. If your man don't want to go, then I'll whine in with you. Tell you I'll whine in with you. Go coastal is every fete and on the boat. If your man don't want to go, then I'll lime in with you. I tell you I'll whine in with you. Could be in a uptown party, in a downtown.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.
Come savor the island flavor at annual Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, Sunday, July 22nd at Roy Wilkins Park in Queens. Enjoy finger-licking Caribbean cuisine, culinary demonstrations, cultural performances, kids zone, tons of giveaways, something for everyone. Performances by Elephant Man,
On the river, on the bank.
Good Celebrity,
You are walking trophy. You are walking.
Lust, West African sensation, Pato Ranking, New Kingston, Brata folk singers, and more. It's a celebration of food, music, and fun. The Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival, Sunday, July 22nd, Roy Wilkins Park in Queens. Noon to 8 p.m. Buy tickets online at jerkfestivalny.com. Sponsored by Tower Isle Parties, La Park and Shipping, the Jamaica Tourist Board, and VP Records.